Hi there, so here's the engine off my 400 4. I did try to clean it a little bit, but it's so thick with grease and gunge and that, so I did what I could and I thought I'd start to strip it right here. Now all the bolts so tight all came loose quite easily. I was very surprised. Not one of them I really struggled with at all, so I was quite pleased with that. As you can see, they weren't tight, but they were obviously torqued to the right settings, I guess. Yeah, they came off really easy. All the tappet covers, they were not too tight. I read horror stories on the internet that sometimes people do them up too hard and you can't get them off, so I was quite happy they come off easily. So the cams looked alright to me, though I'm no big engineer, but they look fine, couldn't see any scoring. I thought I'd better take the spark plugs out in case I need to turn the engine over. I was keeping them in just to keep any rubbish going down their cylinder bores, but I thought I'd take them out, and again, as you can see, they came out fairly easy. Sorry for the poor quality of the video, I forgot to get my camera to refocus. So there's two sunken nuts in the engine. I had to clean around them to make sure I could get the socket to fit on them, which I did. I marked a bit of cardboard up with the nut numbers so I could keep them all together and put them back on the same way they came off. So when the barrels came off the pistons, a couple of piston rings dropped out. They are broken in half. I noticed the tab washer hadn't been bent over to stop the nut from coming off, and the nut had obviously been removed and replaced before because it was a bit damaged. That came off quite easily. So everything came off this side of the engine really easily. Unfortunately I didn't have the camera around to show you removing the oil pump. Again, that was fairly easy to do. So the heads looked alright, a bit coked up. The barrels, they didn't seem to have any real scoring in them, but I need to get them cleaned and checked properly. Okay, so the pistons, they don't look too bad either. Again, they need cleaning and checking, so I need to get someone to do that properly. That's it for the moment. I'll do a part 2 when I actually split the crank cases apart and pull the rest of it out. Thank you for watching.